Smart speakers combine quality sound with hands-free voice control, helping you play music, get information, and manage your smart home with ease. The best models balance clear audio, smart features, and simple everyday convenience. Starting at number 1, Sonos Era 100. The Sonos Era 100 is a compact yet powerful wireless smart speaker designed for rich, room-filling sound in any space. Powered by a 47% faster processor, it features a next-generation dual-tweeter system for detailed stereo separation and a larger midwoofer that delivers deeper bass. Its sleek, versatile design fits easily on shelves, desks, or countertops. While Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB, and optional line-in support make streaming from multiple sources simple. With quick setup through the Sonos app, Alexa voice control, and TruePlay tuning that automatically optimizes sound for your room, the Era 100 delivers premium audio with effortless convenience. Number 2, W King Bluetooth Speaker. The W King X10 is a powerful portable Bluetooth speaker built for parties, outdoor adventures, and bass lovers. Delivering up to 120 door peak power, it features dual subwoofers, tweeters, and triple passive radiators that produce deep, punchy bass with clear mids and highs for an immersive, room-filling sound. Bluetooth 5.0 ensures a fast, stable connection with a long wireless range, and you can pair two X10 speakers for true stereo output and even bigger sound. Designed with an IPX6 waterproof rating, rugged build, and detachable shoulder strap, it's ideal for beach trips and outdoor use. With up to 42 hours of playtime, multiple EQ modes, AUX and TF card support, and built-in power bank functionality, the X10 combines extreme volume, durability, and versatility in one boombox-style speaker. Number 3, Edifier Wi-Fi Smart Speaker. The Edifier MS50A is a powerful Wi-Fi smart speaker designed for high-quality streaming with privacy in mind. Delivering 40W RMS output, it features a large 4-inch woofer and 1-inch tweeter that produce rich, room-filling stereo sound with minimal distortion, enhanced by advanced DSP tuning. It works with Alexa and supports Apple AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, and Tidal Connect for seamless HD music streaming over Wi-Fi, while Bluetooth 5.0 offers flexible wireless playback. Lacking a built-in microphone, the MS50A prioritizes user privacy, and it can be paired with a second unit for true stereo sound or grouped for multi-room, whole-home audio, making it an excellent choice for premium wireless listening. Number 4, WeM Sound Smart Speaker. The WeM Sound Smart Speaker is a powerful, feature-rich wireless speaker built for premium listening and modern control. It delivers up to 100 double-watt peak output with high-res 24-bit/192 kHz audio, powered by a 4-inch woofer and dual silk dome tweeters for clear mids, smooth highs, and room-filling sound. A unique 1.8-inch touch display shows album art and track details while providing instant phone-free control. With AI Room Fit TM Room Correction, the speaker automatically optimizes sound based on placement and space. Supporting Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and a wide range of streaming platforms, it enables seamless multi-room playback, stereo pairing, and home theater expansion. Multiple control options, including app voice assistants via compatible devices and an included remote, make the WeM Sound both powerful and easy to use. Number 5, Tribit Stormbox Lava Speaker. The Tribit Stormbox Lava is a rugged, high-power portable Bluetooth speaker built for outdoor adventures and energetic parties. Delivering 80 Ws of loud, distortion-free sound through dual neodymium woofers and silk dome tweeters, it produces deep 43 Hz bass with Tribit's X-Bass technology, along with clear mids and crisp highs. Bluetooth 5.4 ensures fast, stable connections, while customizable EQ lets you fine-tune the sound to match any mood or music style. With an IP67 waterproof and dustproof design, up to 24 hours of playtime, built-in mic, and TWS pairing for true stereo or large party setups, the Stormbox Lava is designed to keep powerful music going anywhere, from the beach and camping trips to backyard gatherings.